Hello friends, today we are going to learn about Kapleker's constant. What is Kapleker's constant? If you take any 4-digit number and arrange its digit in descending order, and from that number you subtract the ascending order of this number, then you will get ultimately a number which is 6174, and the condition for this number is that at least one digit should be different. Like the number can be 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, like that, or it can be 2, 2, 2, 1. It can be all digits different like 9, 7, 5, 1. It can be two middle digits are same. 2, 9, 9, 9, 2, 2, or 9, 8, 8, 2. Anything like that. Not necessarily in descending order, but you have to arrange the digits in descending order, and from that you have to subtract the reverse order, like 3, 2, 1, 0. For this number we have arranged 3, 2, 1, 0. Then from this number I will subtract 0, 1, 2, 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. So I have got here the answer 3087. Now again arrange the digits in descending order. So 8730 minus 0378, 0378. I have got answer 8352. Again descending order, 8532, 8532 minus 2358, 2358. The answer is 6174. You may have doubt like, is it all? Let's check it out. 7641, 7641 minus 1467. The answer is 6174. So ultimately you are naturally, you cannot, you know that you are getting the answer, you are getting the answer 7641. So you will not again do the subtraction. So here the process stops. The speciality of Kapleker's constant is that your process will stop in 8 steps maximum. I will repeat, you take any number, 4-digit number. Naturally you cannot take 1111 minus 1111. Answer will be naturally 0. If all digits are same, the answer will naturally be 0. So you have to take at least one digit different. That's the reason I have taken this one of the examples. Okay. So the thing is that 2 digits here same, 2 digits here same. Okay, accepted. Even if this number can be originally 2299 also, then also you will arrange the digits in descending order. So it will become like this. Okay. So Kapleker's constant is 6174, and any 4-digit number you take, you arrange its digits in descending order and subtract from it the reverse order of that descending order. Means in other words, longer way, as arrange the digits of this number in ascending order and subtract from it this number, subtract this number from that, then you will get some number. Ultimately you are going to get 6174. So this is the Kapleker's constant. Thank you.